Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to put text behind an object and make it transparent in Photoshop. Now let's get started.
First, open your image in Photoshop. Now go over to the Tools panel and select the Selection tool. At the top, click on Select Subject. Now Photoshop will automatically detect and select the main object in your image. Once that's done, go up and click on Select and Mask. Now just scroll down to the Output section and from the Output drop down, choose New Layer. Then click OK. And now your subject is neatly separated on its own layer. Next, grab the text tool and type out your text. Place it roughly where you want it, don't worry too much about the exact position yet. Now press Ctrl T to activate Free Transform. Right click on the text and choose Skew. Take a moment here and adjust the angle so the text matches the perspective of your image. Alright, now duplicate the text layer by pressing Ctrl plus J. Take the duplicated layer and drag it below the subject layer. Now we are creating that behind the object effect. Next, select the top text layer, right click on it and go to blending options. Now set the fill opacity to 0. Don't worry, you are not deleting the text, just hiding the fill. Now add a stroke, adjust the size and color until it looks good, then click OK. You should now see a nice outline effect wrapping around your subject. Now to keep everything moving together, hold Ctrl and select both text layers. Now right click and choose Link Layers. This way, whenever you move the text, both layers stay perfectly aligned. And that's it, you've successfully placed text behind an object with a clean, transparent effect. Take a moment to tweak the positioning, maybe try different fonts or colors and make it your own.